So our first patient today is this rather specialized board. At first I thought it was some kind of vintage board or something like that, but it's a 1700 socket, so it's relatively modern. But the size of the heat sinks on the V-core, as you can see, is horribly small. The size of V-core in general. So it's compatible with 1700 CPU, but it won't pull anything serious on it. It's also pretty thin, so take a look at the delta over here. We're hanging at like 3, 4, 5 degrees, going up to like 10 over here. Overall, the delta was super tiny on this one. Usually at this point we have like 25, 30 even degrees, or around 20, and this one doesn't seem to have gone over like 15 degrees. Very unusual. It didn't warp much. Oh, now it did. Yeah, but I was surprised. I thought the socket would release very quickly, but it wouldn't. Right, we are at half of the 218 step. I thought 205 step would be sufficient to remove it. Well, it did release a lot higher than I thought. Now let's see some new flags. This one has a lot more alcohol in it, so it's easier to use, but as you can see, there's significant boiling. But it flows really well because of that. So especially when it's fresh like this. If it stays for a few weeks, it becomes a little thicker. Alright, some wicking and we should be done here. Now I don't remember at what point did it drop. Let's see, it dropped now, 209 roughly. Yeah. So we didn't even need to get it to the full profile, but it cleaned out very nicely. I think this one was, oh, that's a different board. Oh, I mixed up the clips. Okay, well, we're gonna see the other board after this one, I guess. Well, this is the next one, and this one, guess what, is an 1151 socket. Yes, people still send those. I hear, well, you can see a lot of good connectivity over here. This is a really nice board, so no wonder someone wants to save this one. Good old ASUS. Now, typically 1151s are really easy because they release early, but on this one we're gonna have a different issue. So the main, as you can see, delta, like non-existent. It's like the heaters are working together, but they're not. It's only bottom heater that is working. And this one, I think it released at the beginning of the last step. Let's see. No, it also, look at that, over half of the last step, and that's when it releases. So a little weird. That's not what I expected. Back in the day I would do 205 and they would release, but this one wouldn't. And the problem with these boards is that they really don't like the heat, and they can bubble easily, especially when they're older. And that's not even the problem of drying the board. It's more of a problem of the technology back then. Essentially, it's old. I don't know if you can see that bulge yet, but as you can see, it cleaned out really nicely. They all clean out nicely nowadays because I use better methodology now, better chemicals. But it's still not still not super clean, right? But here's the bulge. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's very tiny. It's even hard to see, especially under the microscope. But you can kind of see it, yeah, especially at this angle. Yeah, you can see it when you look at the board. So I'm not sure about this one. Hopefully it will work, but that's essentially what happens to some of these older boards. And that's it. Thank you guys very much for watching. I do appreciate you, and I shall see you guys in the next one.